Yeah, it's time to clean out the stovepipe. Today I'll be cleaning out my stovepipe with a toilet brush on a stick. I don't recommend doing it this way, but this is how I do it. A sure way to tell if your stovepipe is getting clogged is when you have smoke coming out the door when it's open, even after it's been running for a while. Generally, there's two reasons why your stovepipe will get clogged. That's burning wet or unseasoned wood. I mostly burn scrap wood or whatever I can get my hands on, and it's usually been exposed to the weather. Second reason is having this 90-degree elbow on my stovepipe. This is where all the soot builds up. I just don't have the materials to have it go straight up through the roof without it leaking. So before I clean up the pipe, I like to lay down some white paper inside the stove, and it gives me a really good idea how much soot buildup I have in my stovepipe, because most of it will be coming down this way. I don't always do this, but sometimes I take the blow dryer and stick it up the stovepipe and blow out whatever's left. So look how dirty that was. No wonder I was getting smoke in the workshop.